Let's go ahead and cut this. I hate doing that, but
Merry Christmas!
hi everybody, welcome to Creative Pouring. I'm Cheryl. Today I've got these bracelet blanks. Let me get them out of their plastics. And we're going to put some, let me get out of the blank. I'll get them out and I'll be right back. Sorry about that. Let's go ahead and get started. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this glitter brilliance glit from Michael's, I believe it was, extra fine glitter. I'm going to mix up some UV resin, which is my high gloss UV resin from J. Diction. Let's go ahead and get some in here. Oop. Hang on, there's something in the cup. Okay, I got it. Okay. I'm going to make it pretty glittery. With glitter, it's not opaque when you use glitter so much. You'll be able to, it'll cure, not a problem, because you can see it right through. You see right through it. I just want to have a nice glittery back. And we're going to do it in small layers. See how nice and glittery that is? Kind of looks like snow. And like I said, we're going to do it in tiny layers. Spread that out. Since this is rocking like it is, I'm going to get a stick to put them on to make it easier. So they lay flat and then they're up above that spot. So these aren't going to rock it. You don't make it go upside down, make it go tilted or anything like that. So it'll be a level surface. Go. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I'm just spreading it out so it reaches all the corners and makes it level. Okay, let's get this under the curing. And I will be back to you as soon as it's done. All right, let's go ahead and get a second layer on it. I moved it away so that the light wouldn't cure it. I'm not building it up too much because I don't want it to be bulging. I want it to be pretty much flat. So I only have the sticker level is going to go next. And then a clear coat with a little tiny bit of glitter on it to go on top of it. Okay, let's go ahead and cure these and we'll be right back. Those look amazing. Let's go ahead and cut this. I hate doing that, but I want it cut in half. Okay. I'm taking it apart so that I can see what's going on. And placing it on. Now, Look at these. Wow. These will be on my eBay store. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this pour as much as I did. If you did, go ahead and leave me a comment, hit that like button, and subscribe. I really hope you enjoyed this pour. Until next time, keep creating and keep pouring. Bye for now.